Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper origami heart pocket. For this you need a square piece of paper. So we're going to start out with folding our paper diagonally. And we will crease well. Then we will open up our paper and we will crease it on this way. Like flipping the paper over and then folding it diagonally. Then we will crease. Now we will take this part that we creased and we're going to making sure the paper doesn't get messed up, and we will put it like this, and we will crease this side right here. Next we will take this side and do the same thing. So this will be a little tricky, but take this part and crease, and you just need to crease that in pretty well. Take this and push it flat. Make sure all your creases are very well aligned. And then just take this part and fold it down to the tip. Then take this side and fold it down to the tip. And take this and fold it like this, like a triangle, and this, like a triangle. And now you can kind of see our heart pocket forming. Now we need to take this side and fold this in a tidbit, just a really little bit, so it gets closed and the pocket is not open. We're going to do the same thing on this side, just a little bit, and we're going to take the top and we're going to fold it flat in so it looks more like a heart. And we're also going to take this side and we're going to fold it in a bit. You're going to flip it over and you'll see pretty much a heart pocket forming. And if you want to keep these flat down, you can take some tape and tape each side. And a little bit more tape to the tops. If you really want it even more sealed, you can even put some tape in here, but you don't have to put that much tape. You can put it in here so that way it will not open up at all. And now your heart pocket is pretty much ready. If you want, you can write a message on it. And then your heart pocket is pretty much ready. Here are your paper origami hearts that have a pocket. So please like and subscribe to our channel, and hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much, and also share our videos. Bye!